Hello and welcome to my channel Yalla Fun TV. How are you friends? I hope you all are fine. We are here with another very beautiful and interesting muddy videos for you. We have a lots of animal. We have cute animal, we have dinosaur, we have wild animal, we have minion. We have guns. Oh my god. Don't worry, these are all the plastic toys gun, and we have Spider-Man mask. Wow. We have cell phone and we have a lots of gadgets. These are fun things we bring for you, and we will play games and we will play water activity and we will clear the mud. We just collected the Spider-Man, here's the cell phone, and this is the front loader, the construction machine. And now we are picking up the minions, the farm animals, duck and goose. That's a mini giraffe, and these are dinosaurs. We will tell you the name later, and we will also tell you the video as well. So this video is quite educational as well. That's the F-16, the fighter plane, elephant as well. That's a 4x4 jeep with a big tires, with an alloy rim, and we have some camera, and these are guns. So we have collected all the things, so let's rock and roll. Yalla! Here we are. The water is ready to clean the mud, so let's start our officially video. We are cleaning the sniper gun. Here we go. Let's watch. Yalla! Here we go. We have a sniper gun. Wow! Bang, bang.
She was out of luck because with anarchy it would reduce her mag size, so she was never able to really use the infinity.
Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is 4x4 jeep. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Here we go. The 4x4 jeep is clean. Wow, guys, that is so much fun. The 4x4 jeep. Let's check out the next one, and the next one I guess we have a camera. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Yalla! Here we go. We have a camera. Wow, guys, camera is so much fun. We have a small pocket gun. That's a 10mm revolver. Let's wash. Yalla, guys. Here we go. We have a 10mm revolver, mini pistol. Wow, bang, bang. Let's check out the next one, and the next we have a wild animal. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Here we go. We have giraffe. Cool, guys, because giraffe is the tallest animal. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have is F-16 fighter plane. Wow, that is awesome. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Yalla. Here we go. F-16 fighter plane. Wow, that's a dream of every pilot. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have is a sports car. Wow. Let's wash him. Let's wash. And here we go. Yalla. That's a sports car. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have dinosaur. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Here we go. We have a dilophosaurus. Wow, guys, that's a dilophosaurus move with 2 legs. And the next one we have binocular. Wow, let's wash him. Let's wash. Yalla. Here we go. We have a binocular. Wow, guys, cool. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have is a Spider-Man mask. Let's wash him. Let's watch. Yalla! Spider-Man from the Avengers series. Here we go. Spider-Man mask. Wow, guys, cool. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is dinosaur. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Here we go. We have pachycephalosaurus, the headed lizard. Cool, guys. That's a big dinosaur. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have a cool construction machine. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Yalla! Here we go. We have a front loader. Cool, guys. That's an awesome construction machine. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is beautiful farm animal. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Yalla! Wow, we have a goose. That's a beautiful farm animal. Here we go.
Green grass is what they want. Stretching our necks, moving our tails.
Check out the next one, and the next one we have is a cell phone. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Here we go. We have a satellite phone. Wow, cool, guys. That is awesome.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So standard stuff, 16 channels, can be programmed on.
Let's check out the next one, and the next one is your favorite character Minion. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Here we go. We have Minion. Wow, guys, that is cool.
They go by many names: Dave, Carl, Paul, Mike.
And the next one we have is sea animal, the crab. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Yalla, guys. Here we go. We have crab. That's a sea animal and a delicious seafood as well. Here we go. And the next one we have is beautiful farm animal. Which one? Let's watch him. Let's watch. Yalla, guys. Here we go. We have a duck. Wow, that is beautiful animal. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is a big wild animal. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Yalla, guys. Here we go. We have elephant, the world's biggest animal. Wow, that is awesome.
Elephant do baby, elephant do baby, elephant do baby.
And the next one we have is, let's watch him. Let's watch. Here we go. Wow, guys, we have deer. That is so beautiful. And in last we have again a wild animal, but which one? Let's watch him. Let's watch. And here we go. We have giraffe. Wow, the world's biggest animal. So this is it from today. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe the channel, and thank you so much for watching the show. Have a great day, friends. Take care. Bye bye.